Hey, everybody.
Yes.
Okie dokie. Welcome to Houdini Battle, everybody. My name is Deborah Isaac. I am the host of this battle. I'm also the founder of Houdini.School. And yeah, it's time to introduce everybody. So our commentators, David, if you could say something quick.
Something quick?
Yeah. Introduce yourself, please.
Hi, I'm David Jordo. I teach over at Houdini.School with Deborah. And yeah, that's what I do.
Awesome. David's awesome, as we all know. And next, Armin.
Hello, hello. My name is Armin Lotfi. I'm a 3D artist originally from Iran. I currently live in Munich, working for a company called Small Game Baha. I mainly do like product visualization and that sort of stuff. And also, I apologize for my video being like super dark. My lighting system is not the best right now. I should figure it out. I should have figured it out before this session, but oh well.
No, we're just so happy you're here. It's great.
Thanks.
And we have two guest commentators too. Peter, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure. Yeah, my name's Peter. I am a training lead with SideFX, and I also do a little stream on the side called Houdini Hangouts. So
yeah, that's awesome. Thanks for doing that. It's a real community service, really. And Divi, thanks for being here too. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Oh my God, I'm so excited to be here. I'm Divi. I work at Amazon Robotics as a technical artist, and yeah, and I also teach at Houdini.School. Hopefully I'll come up with a new class soon.
Oh, that'd be so great. Oh, okay. I'll be calling you after this. Now let's introduce the players. Okay, Andre.
Hi, my name's Andrew. Andre, actually,
Sorry.
Andre Kifan. Yeah, I'm a 3D artist, originally from Radoz, Romania. I lived in Bucharest. I basically worked at a few studios there. Then I moved to Spain to pursue some more AAA projects. Then I worked at SideFX and now at Jellyfish Pictures.
Awesome. Julian.
Hi, I'm Julian. I'm a procedural technical artist. I mostly do like procedural modeling in Houdini for an Archivist company called Bionity. And basically, we work mostly in Unreal, doing HDAs, trying to find these like pain points for our artists, and wherever we can help them out. It doesn't always have to be HDAs, you know, wherever wherever we can help.
Awesome. So glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Daniel.
Hello, I'm Daniel, excited to be here, and I am a recent graduate from Gnomon.School of Visual Effects, and I also recently did an internship with SideFX on the education team, and Peter was part of the team, so great to have him here and great to be here.
Awesome, and you did a great LA hug. So. Oh, yeah. Snap. Oh, we got teams forming already. Guido.
I am Guido Poncini. I am a VFX technical artist, mostly for games. And I worked with Ubisoft Ninja Theory recently. And I also do some motion graphics effects.
Nice. Thank you, Guido, for joining us. Now it's time to spin the wheel. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I know. I'm scared. I'm scared for you guys.
But please share the screen because I don't see any.
Right now, you got it, Guido. I got you. Okay, so we got
the time.
Chubby.
We have blame. If you don't like any of them, blame Armin. If you like them, it's all me.
No.
Abstract, chubby, shattered, Art Deco, and geometric. Those are the themes, the objects: cake, shoe, chicken.
Oh, you're gonna do a chicken.
Plant. We were really praying for chicken. Plant, teapot, cake, shoe, chicken are the objects.
So okay. I'm hoping for chubby chicken, chubby chicken, chubby chicken.
I'm gonna go for Art Deco chicken.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Okay, guys, you ready? Here we go.
Oh my God. Come on, chubby.
Oh yes. Man, it's actually chubby.
Chubby.
Oh gosh.
it's a good time to
Okay.
say that it is rigged, and we have actually.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
gonna be chicken now,
Before.
right? Like, I mean, we all know that.
I
Please be
really hope
chicken.
it's
There's gonna be
chicken. Please
chicken.
be
Chicken.
Please, God,
chicken.
please,
How do I make a chicken from
please.
scratch?
Oh,
No way.
No, it's
Yes.
really
no,
not
it's
chicken.
actually
Yes.
chubby chicken.
Wow.
Yes!
How do I make a chicken?
I feel like I won something. Okay.
Yes,
God.
This is gonna
Okay.
be fun.
Okay.
this is
So
amazing.
I wish you guys the best of luck. And so we have 1 hour. So everyone get their timers out. Here we go. Oh wait, first, wait.
Yeah,
Share your screens.
Mhm.
Let's do that
Also,
first.
just before the feather tool came out, you know, like it's not fair.
That's funny.
Gotta start
Um,
somewhere, right?
Should we start the timer or?
Hold on. So we
Yeah.
have, is everyone, we're missing Daniel.
Yes, yes.
Yep.
You should see it
Okay, we
now.
have everyone, I think.
You do? Okay. Now
Yes.
on your mark, get set and go. Okay,
Cool.
here we go.
Okay,
So
So we wanna.
should we follow Andre
Yeah, let's
from the
start
top?
there.
Yeah.
So it looks
He
like
is researching.
doing some Google
Chubby
images
chicken?
here. Ooh,
Yes,
getting some logos in there too, it looks like.
and we have KFC there apparently.
Yeah.
fried
references.
chicken, you could
Yeah.
use the pyro node for fried chicken.
You
The
could.
baked pyro.
Yeah, my FX skills are now a little bit rusty. I would not do it.
It's a sop. It's just a sop.
It's going to be interesting to see the style in which we end up going here. If it's more cutesy or more graphic or more,
Yeah,
more
that would be
realistic.
very interesting.
I'm loving the Google search. Oh my
'Cause there's,
god.
yeah,
Yeah,
there's
it's
a
awesome.
lot of options here.
This is reasonable.
Also,
If you do
just
the
say-
chicken sandwich, I will give you extra points.
that would
Which
be
one?
awesome.
This one?
It has to have all the ingredients.
Oh,
on
wow.
it,
Yeah,
too.
exactly,
You can't just,
yes.
yeah, you got to have a full.
It's got to be the lettuce, the tomato. It's got to be everything.
Why not?
Yeah,
Also, a
Armin, we
general
should, sandwich is a great idea.
recommendation. Yeah, for next one.
This could
You should
work,
also
actually.
try researching it like not together. So try to research chubby and also chicken. just
Yes.
in general.
Yeah.
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 I would say let's switch so we see everyone in the referencing
Sure.
stage.
Okay, go for it.
Daniel was next, it looks like.
Okay.
Yeah, it's looking at chubby.
I
And
got
now
some
chubby
PRF here
chicken.
of some plushes that I really like.
Those are
Nice.
looking cool.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
you're punching a chicken. I like
There's
that.
some really interesting options in here.
Yeah. This is super exciting. I love this.
So
I
it looks
love
like
this
so
subject.
far, yeah, everybody's going the Google route. We
Mhm.
we don't
have anyone using Midjourney.
Well, we haven't seen Julian yet.
Yeah,
Well,
we got
maybe-
two
I'm
more.
going the Midjourney way.
Oh,
Just
well,
Figure it
Stay
out for me,
Midjourney.
please.
Before we switch to your screen.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So let's look at Julian.
hop over
Okay,
to
let's
it.
look at Julie. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I
Ooh,
kind
we
of
have-
like these kind of eggy shaped.
It's
ones.
nice.
Very
So how do I
interesting.
do this? How do I do this?
Julian already placing notes.
Yeah.
Is that too soon?
No.
No. There are no rules. Don't.
Okay,
stress.
Yeah,
No, you do you.
go as fast as you want.
Also, Peter and Divi are muted. Guys, please join us in commentating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you want.
If you want, yeah, of course.
So I like that we have the Midjourney bot set up on this side because they've got MLOps now that's in Houdini. You know,
Oh,
which
that's
is a-
also
that's
an
also
interesting
kind of
thing, yeah.
yeah.
Oh wait, MLOps is fair game.
Yeah.
Not for
Okay.
the final product, but
Right.
You can use it for referencing.
yeah.
Right. No, that probably is a good way. Like maybe creating depth maps and stuff. Like could be
Yeah.
cool.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
We want to take a peek at
Yeah,
Guido
let's
real quick.
let's
Okay.
switch.
Okay, Guido.
Okay,
Let's see what he's got going.
we have some chicken on this side. Okay.
I'm going for realism in this one.
Yeah.
This one.
I'm kind of hungry now. Like,
Yeah, I know. That looks pretty good.
it's 7 p.m. here in Munich, so
It's dinner time.
I know, yeah, it's kind of dinner time.
It looks like we're building the base of this.
So if I'm not mistaken, he is actually building a drumstick. Like,
Yeah.
Okay.
I
looks
don't
like
know.
it.
Yeah. Let's see.
We got a fan club in the audience.
Let's go, Daniel. Yeah. Vellum balloon, please.
Oh, that could be
Yeah,
a cool
got a
idea.
request
That
for
would actually be
vellum,
really cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Get a pressure constraint going in there and just inflate the chicken.
And then punch.
That's
it.
a sentence I'd never thought I would hear. Just inflate the chicken, but okay.
It's Houdini. Anything is possible.
Oh well.
Yeah. We
So
got a
it's
nice little-
basically just trying to create the basic shape at this point. We have some soft transform on the side.
Yeah, a little bit of a destructive workflows. Usually works out pretty well in like a Houdini battle. So, yeah.
Don't forget
That's
the
true.
labs tools.
Yes,
Those are
labs
good for
is
battle.
available.
Oh yeah.
They're game changer for battle.
They're game changers for everything.
True.
Oh my God, those drumsticks. That's funny.
I'm genuinely getting hungry. We should switch.
He's doing like realistic food here. So.
I'm glad it was lunchtime already here. I'm not hungry at all. So
Too early for me. Yeah.
Should we switch to Andre?
Yeah. Let's hop over to Andre. And looks
I'm
like
still searching for references.
Okay.
I'm
ooh, I
thinking
like
about
that
making,
crocheted chicken
yeah.
you got going on
yeah,
there.
I'm
That's
thinking
cool.
about this one. And
That's a
I
nice
like that
looking
pattern on that. That would be interesting
Yeah.
to replicate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also quite difficult, I would say.
Yeah,
you
there's
wanna-
isn't there a UV option for doing
indeed, yeah, it is,
cloth
yeah.
and threads?
Yeah, that's true. That's
There's
true.
a technique for that. Yeah. I haven't
I
messed
think I
too
saw
much
like a
with it.
tutorial for the crochet material recently.
So we're getting destruction in here as well.
Who are you looking at, David? Which screen?
We're looking at Andre.
Andre.
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
currently on
okay.
Andre. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Cool.
Doing his research, trying to
This is
narrow it down.
interesting. I like
Okay.
seeing everyone's process.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like on Reddit.
Yeah, exactly.
I think Andre has a pretty clear vision of what he wants to do, just trying to
Yeah.
gather more
I think I
references
saw
of it.
a tutorial on LinkedIn, but I cannot remember where or by whom.
I
but-
love this. I love that you're looking at a tutorial, looking for a tutorial right now.
Well,
That's
Yeah.
great.
It usually takes like 5 or 10 minutes. To
Nice.
Get the gist, you know.
That's awesome. I love that. Learning on the
those
fly
re-
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this whole battles are about problem solving. So
Yes.
Which I've always said is about 90% of the job when you're
Right.
doing VFX or
Yep.
any kind of work. It's troubleshooting every aspect.
Definitely.
Oh, we want to hop over to Daniel real
yes. Let's see.
quick. Ooh,
Oh,
we're getting more drumsticks,
I'm not sure.
or we
Can never
or it
get enough of those.
could be like a what do you call those things? Part of the chicken.
A comb, I think. It's like
Is
a
that what it is?
comb or a waddle or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, we
the
we
thing
got a
that-
chicken expert
okay.
here.
The jiggly,
Oh yeah.
the little
No.
jiggly bits.
Jiggly.
Ah, okay.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
There,
There we
yeah.
go.
There we
There it
go.
is.
There we go.
Nice.
Looking good so far.
Oh my gosh.
So far it looks like we're using a lot of basic shapes, which is cool. You know,
Mhm.
you're getting that base form down, you know,
Yeah.
No.
for everybody, which is
Also
a great
for,
way
like,
to start.
Yeah, also for like making anything cute, I feel like using spheres or like shapes like that, I feel like is the move.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. For sure.
Yeah, I think that would help speed things up a little bit.
Yeah.
And you can also just kind of like, if something doesn't work out, you can say it was intentional.
Yeah, that's the beauty of like Houdini Battle. He's like a peanut guy. Like he looks like a peanut.
The mirror node is a really
Yeah,
fun node. I use that a
it
lot.
is.
And one of the
Mhm.
caveats I always run into and I keep forgetting about is that it will keep the geometry in some cases. So you'll end up duplicating your actual geometry that
Yeah.
you brought in. So that's one thing you want to kind of like pay attention to sometimes.
Yeah.
Huh.
I mean, in this case, it's a good thing because he's just trying to keep both.
Exactly. Yeah.
But I find myself sometimes just mirroring it and merging it back with the original shape and just forgetting that it's not a separate object. And then I have a duplicate just sitting on top of
Yeah.
base shape.
One of the little tiny little caveats, if you're not paying attention, it'll get you. Yeah.
Yeah. He also could have used mirror here as well instead of copying it.
Maybe he
those
wants a
things.
little bit more personality.
Ah,
to it.
See,
Ah,
see,
there we go, there we go.
yeah.
I feel like he decided to do that when I said it.
Maybe.
We'll never know.
Adjusting on the fly.
I
Look
love
at
it.
someone else.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
should switch, but it
Yeah,
looks
let's-
awesome.
We can go
should
to
we-
Guido,
Guido?
or
Yeah.
Julian.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, Guido's
Guido?
going
Okay.
in an interesting
Okay.
direction.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ooh.
we have a full chicken.
Yeah, with UVs.
Yeah, exactly. I like the front wings that are going
Yeah.
on there.
Yeah.
Curious, was that a curve?
That looks like a sweep.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
wondering.
topology
Yeah.
looks like a sweep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a curve with P scale.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Uh-oh, Armin's getting hungrier and hungrier.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna just hop off the call and start cooking.
He's gonna order some chicken right now. on the phone.
Yep.
I have a
Let me
big
see.
bucket that comes in.
Let's see what's available.
I would commend you if you came in with one of those giant drumsticks into the frame.
Unfortunately, usually the delivery times are a bit long here where I live. So I think if I order right now, it would be here, but after the battle, but I would do it.
We've got a whole V.
I hope that
here.
Guido, I hope you make this dance at the end. That's my wish.
Of course.
Yeah, we want to see a rig, Guido.
Yeah,
Like,
okay,
that's
okay.
how-
Let's go with. I have the delete.
Little
button
sideways,
that
little
every
jiggle.
time I put. You see? I
Yeah.
have the delete button that every time I push, jump out. And I put it back and I started to delete random things in the scene. So let's make it dance.
Yes, please use some motion
Yes.
effects.
There you go.
But the wings, we need to open the wings.
Oh yeah, you could do a little flapping.
Oh,
Put a sine wave in it, and then we're done.
This is reminding me of the Tommy Butterfly
Ah.
now.
Oh yeah, getting
No, it's-
flashbacks,
It's a
PTSD coming up.
it's a
I
problem.
loved the Tommy Butterfly, but at the same time, it was disgusting.
Yes.
It was amazing.
If you haven't seen that, anybody watching, go back to
Yeah.
one of the previous. It was the one I think I was competing in that competition.
Yeah.
I think that one was Shattered Butterfly.
Yeah.
Is that what it was? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. That's we have a Tommy Butterfly in that one.
Yeah, it is brilliant. Who made it? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
offhand, Yeah.
Yeah. Should we look at Julian?
Yeah, let's switch.
It's chaos over here. I'm not a character artist or a creature artist, so please forgive
Oh,
me.
come on. No. That'd be awesome.
Well, that was a
This is
prerequisite
so-
of doing this. I don't know. I don't know how you
This
got
is so
in
far
here.
out of my
It's
comfort
clear.
zone. It's unbelievable. Oh my god. But I'm
That's-
trying here. I'm trying here.
Yeah, that's the fun. We like to see you guys squirt.
Suffer. We like to
Suffer?
see you
Yeah.
suffer.
Yeah. I realized that.
Well, I like how you're doing those wings there. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
that's-
little
that's-
like technique.
That's kind of
Yeah.
what I'm trying here to
Oh,
get
nice.
something feather looking.
I love how close you're staying to the reference,
Hmm.
which is super
Because-
nice.
Because I don't know how to make a chicken man. Let's see.
So we're at 46 minutes, everybody. 46 minutes.
Because from my chicken, you can clearly see that I am a character artist with tons of production
As soon as it
experience.
starts dancing, it becomes a character. So you'll
Yeah.
be just fine. So I'm seeing a lot of similar nodes. We've got a lot of the mirror. We've got
Yeah.
poly extrude. There's a clip in there I'm seeing too.
Yeah.
No, but
A lot of staples. These are really, common nodes that come in handy.
There are SideFX Labs chicken nodes.
There will be a demand for one after this. I'm sure.
We'll have to put in some RFEs for a whole chicken suite of tools.
Yep. Well, you've got
That
the
would be
feathers
awesome.
already, so you just got to fill out the rest of it.
Yeah, we're a good way there, right?
The hardest part is done.
We're getting a request to add fur. I don't know. I think copying and rigging.
That would be a risky move, but possible.
I think just
Guido,
copying
didn't you want
lines
to
is
do
fine.
groom?
Yeah, that is true.
groups are for cowards.
Should we switch to Andre?
Yeah.
Yeah. let's not forget.
Okay,
Oh, he is in Houdini.
Ooh, a lattice.
we have the win.
I am trying to keep it simple, but
No.
basically you're starting with the copied points and
Mhm.
kind of it might look like feathers or like clumps. This could be easily in the end remeshed to something that could have like material, procedural material, but I won't have time for that. I know for sure. I need to remember how to use the lattice first.
Cool. I don't think I've ever messed with the lattice before.
I know. I
Yeah.
feel like I've tried and just kind of
I
been
can't
like,
say I have
"Ah."
either. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
Really,
powerful,
Peter?
actually.
Very interesting. No one has used it.
Something new.
Yeah, it's the first time for everything.
Oh yeah.
Geometry to default. This is the rest geometry.
I think that's what I love about Houdini is that there's so many different ways to do the same thing and just all of these unique ways that aren't really obvious sometimes.
Yeah.
But you're always learning something new, no matter how long you've been using the app.
Yeah, like I used to use lattice like a lot in Maya, but like when I
Yeah.
switched to Houdini, like I didn't use it that much. But I did find like a video by Junichiro Horikawa,
Uh-huh.
That's
and like
amazing.
he did like a video on like cage deforming. It's like a more custom lattice structure. Like
Oh.
you can give it a custom lattice.
Nice.
It is pretty good. Like I use that if I need to use something like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
I can
I'd
put a
like to
link
see
in the
that.
chat actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That'd be
that would
cool.
great.
yeah, his series for Vex, the algorithmic Vex, I think.
Yeah, algorithmic
is-
design or
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
it's
great.
amazing. Yeah.
Why isn't it
We should try to call him in this Houdini battle.
Yeah.
I think I emailed him once and I didn't hear back. So if you guys
Okay.
can
Okay.
bombard, you guys, maybe more people need to email him.
Yeah.
Is he in
Okay.
Japan too? So I mean,
Yeah.
might be a little off time.
We could do, we've done it. We've done,
Guido's in Italy, so
yeah, we've done
Yeah.
Asia.
we've got
Sure,
Houdini
sure.
all over the place.
Yeah, even back when I was in Iran, there was like, I think 10 hours, 12 hours difference, something like that, but we made it work.
Yeah,
You're a trooper, man.
I think
Well,
Armin is a night owl to begin with. He's
Yeah, not here in Germany. No, here everyone wakes up at 6 a.m. So, and my neighbors all go to bed at like 9. It's super weird.
I don't like that. Mm-mm.
Yeah, basically after 9 in the neighborhood, I'm the only person that's awake. Like everyone's just sleeping.
Should we hop over to Daniel?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
I love it.
That is really cool.
You can
That's
move
awesome.
the
Andy is
eyes.
definitely getting a very
Oh,
high
yeah.
cute factor going right now. I like it.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Oh, you are. He is animating the eyes. I see the green on the pivot translate.
Oh, this is
nice.
just,
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
just so I can
centroid.
The
you can
centroid,
put it
yeah.
in the right location.
Got it.
Yeah, and for those unfamiliar too, centroid is the center, roughly the average center of an object. So that's what he's trying to do, is change the anchor point for the sphere there.
So talking about centroid, are you guys using centroid or are you using $CEX
Mm.
and CEY and CEZ? So which
I
one?
mean,
Yeah.
I would use CEX personally. It means
That would be
less
the
things to
easier.
type.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I usually
also
use
for me
centroid.
too.
Yeah.
You use
Yeah, I
centroid.
use CEX.
really.
Yeah.
I've stuck with the function as well as Peter, like with
Yeah.
Peter.
Is there a difference?
Not that I'm aware of.
I'm sure at a large scale there's some difference, but I don't know for sure.
That's usually how it goes. When you scale things up, yeah.
When
then
you get
you'll
up into like the billions of points and things like that, there's a difference. But
Yeah.
Okay.
most usable scales, probably not.
Good to know, Peter.
I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing.
Also, let's look at Daniel Lee's soft transform. That's pretty
Mhm.
cool. I think everyone knows that this is available, the soft transform, soft radius. It's pretty cool.
The soft transform is an amazing node, like so underrated because you
Yeah.
can do so much with it.
And I love the visualizer.
As someone coming from a C4D background, that really reminds me of their kind of soft transform tools and stuff in there.
Okay.
So that was very helpful for me to like see that and be like, oh, I get what's going on here. This is pretty straightforward.
Intuitive. Yeah.
Nice.
And for me, it was kind of the other way around because I learned cinema after learning Houdini. So in cinema, I always try to, I use cinema a lot for work. So I'm always trying to figure out, okay, in Houdini, this is that. Okay, then that's what it does. And then I always end up with something that basically requires parameters, and then you don't have that in cinema. So I end up just going back to Houdini.
We have 38 minutes left.
Left
Should
or
we
done?
Rest.
switch to Guido?
Very bad. How much?
Whoa. What is happening?
Wow.
Okay, going crazy.
Oh my
and we have
God.
Rig.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh
King
my God.
effects.
Wow. Yes.
Yes.
Really? Oh my god.
Nice.
Look,
Very nice.
That's
Wow.
awesome.
I knew it. I knew
This
it.
might be the
Effect in
first time
itself.
we are seeing like a rig in Houdini,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is gonna be a tough battle, guys.
The big question is, what is the dance move going to be?
Exactly.
Yes.
Is he going to be moving the hips, or is it?
I want to bring a Mixamo animation.
Oh,
Wow.
Please,
Oh,
please
yeah.
make your chicken twerk. Please.
yes.
Please make
yes.
your chicken twerk.
Twerk.
Okay.
Twerking. We'll change it. We're going to change the title. Twerking chicken is actually the real.
Twerking chicken, but I need to add a skin. Yeah.
That's the new.
No,
there you go.
that's-
There you go.
Doesn't work like this.
This is the one thing I've always I don't use kin effects very often, but every time I do, I always forget this order
But it-
because of this. The skeletons and rig doctor, and then
Yeah,
you get
I
into the
always have to
repos.
look it up. I never remember exactly how you should
Yeah.
approach it. Yeah.
Maybe
Also-
they'll do a configure. You
That's
know,
what I was
like one of the
wondering.
configure things
Yeah.
that they do,
Just to
Where
kind of
is the
shrink
movie?
up the number of nodes. Yeah.
Yeah.
like a
Okay,
preset.
That's yeah. Yeah.
Like this layout does allow like a lot of flexibility though, because like once you
Sure.
put down a skeleton, now you're visualizing your points as like joints, and now then you put rig doctor or like whatever the next node is.
Yeah.
You start seeing more attributes like X forms and matrices on the thing. So now
Yeah.
you're not restricted to use them as bones, but you can just keep using the local transform on all the other attributes.
Yeah.
So I see like why they made it like that, but like yeah, I agree. Like maybe a simpler system for
Yeah,
simple
but
rigging.
with configured, you also can have like one of those nodes that puts, I don't know, like entries where it puts a bunch of nodes back to back.
Yeah.
So
Oh, yeah.
if they configure it like that, it would be nice. So you still get the flexible workflow, but you
Yeah.
have all the nodes already like in a general order that they should be used.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I think the one I always forget is tet embed and the biharmonic, because it's not a logical
Yeah.
term that I would remember and associate with rigging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I
yeah,
learned about biharmonic basically when I was teaching my first course. Like I came across an issue with what I was setting up with the rig, and then I had to learn exactly how you need to set it up.
That's the thing about teaching. You learn a
Yeah.
lot.
you do. Dive into the unknown and learn something new.
Should we look at someone new?
Yeah,
Let's go to Julian.
Julian. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing beautiful single color materials right here.
Awesome.
Well, I don't really know how I got here, but now I
Ooh.
have this. I have this chicken.
nice.
Oh god, I don't want to know how I compare to the others.
That's awesome.
That's nice.
I
Oh,
love
doing
it.
Great. Yeah.
You're doing great.
Oh,
This
This
looks
is
so
a
cool.
really difficult
wanna see the
battle.
twerking
Everyone's
chicken.
doing great.
yeah.
Yeah, no, there's definitely some.
I
high
think you
quality
could make
stuff.
yours twerk.
No, oh my god, no. Let me read up on the KineFX documentation real quick.
Fix, yeah.
You could just put an animated noise on yours.
Oh, and make it wobble. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see. I'll try that. What do we have here?
Divi, I know you're laughing, but you're on mute. It's not cool. You gotta unmute. You're such a
Yeah,
giggler.
Yeah, my keyboard is super loud. So if I search something, like
Oh, okay.
like it just creates a noise.
Are
But
you?
yeah.
Is that on purpose? Like you're one of those that bought a especially loud keyboard. People
Yeah,
love those.
mechanical keyboard.
Yeah, mechanical
Oh,
keyboard.
Yeah.
I just asked my friends like which would be good for like Houdini
Oh.
battles, you know?
Cool.
I also actually have a mechanical one, and they're like super nice. They sound really awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
I
mechanical too.
Despise mechanical
feels-
keyboards.
Oh, really?
I hate that noise.
But the feeling, it's the feeling.
And not even
Yeah, the feeling
that.
is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, we have a wobbly chicken.
There we go.
Wow.
There we go.
This
Oh, no,
one was extreme. This is kind of extreme. It feels like it's alive.
Let me try. What about this?
think it's alive.
That's like, I'm in Berlin, so it's more techno. Like
There you go.
There
There you go.
no,
Techno chicken. Techno chicken.
it's
almost
an
like a
inflatable
flashback.
chicken, like one of those gas station chicken, like
Yes, the
the-
inflatables.
The
Yeah.
wacky waving inflatable arm tube. man.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So if it's in Berlin, you need to add some fashion to it. So
Some fashion.
start- yeah,
Some-
you need to
some
bring
black
Berlin
leather
fashion. Yeah,
stuff,
black
or
leather
what?
and like strips
Latex
going
chicken.
on. Yep.
Yeah. Oh god. Let me see.
Yes.
Can I fit that within 32 minutes? Let's see.
Yes, you can. Yes,
Mhm,
you
that's
can.
plenty of
But
time.
visual, the viewport modeling in Houdini, I can't do it. It's so tough. It's so tough. Does anyone use viewport modeling? Like,
No.
We actually had Adrian Lambert in one of the previous battles. He modeled an entire spaceship with viewport modeling. So no
What?
excuses.
no,
No excuses.
I didn't watch that one. I'm sorry.
Wow.
Yes,
Get
but
on.
he's a beast, so
Start
doesn't
adding
count.
leather straps. We want to see a
Other
Berlin.
start. Okay, let me see.
We want to
Oh,
see
no.
every
Midjourney, help
detail.
me.
Mid-journey.
I hope it's not I hope it's not NSFW. So let's see. Chubby chicken.
We can switch and
I was
you
gonna
can
say,
tell
let's
us if
get
it
ready to
was-
switch
yeah.
just in case.
Minimalist.
But yeah. Minimalist, but Berlin style.
I'm hovering
With
over Andre just
leather.
in case.
Yeah, I'm just
Leather
hovering over
outfit.
Andre.
Yes.
Okay, we have some time, right? It's gonna start blurry, so you have time to. Hmm. And in the meantime, I'll try to figure out how to make some feet. Oh, that looks dark. That looks dark
Hmm.
already.
Mhm.
think
I
it
think
might be
it looks
okay.
interesting.
Yeah. Like a brooding chicken or something.
Whoa. Yeah, it looks like a bouncer,
Oh.
you know.
Yeah, you need
the
to
back-
add fashion to it. You need
Yeah,
to
it
add
looks like a
fashion.
backhand bouncer. Okay,
Yeah.
ooh, how do I? Yeah, let's see.
Julian, really, this is, you don't have to take what we say. Like,
Just scrolling. We're just scrolling. You don't have to.
Yeah,
But I am
exactly.
looking to improve this somehow. Let's see. I like the Berlin chicken kind of
Oh
like.
my God. Number 2 and number 3 are pretty funny.
Yeah.
Number one's like an aviator.
Yeah, I don't feel number one. No,
Yeah.
no. I
That's
feel
not
like
Berlin.
I think number 2 is pretty great. Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
so,
Yeah,
That
add
is-
some sunglasses.
Oh my
would go
God, but I
like-
can't do a leather jacket.
No,
Every
no,
30 minutes.
no,
No.
Yeah.
Let's switch to Andre.
Somebody was
You
commenting.
could do really quick and dirty fur by copying just little lines onto points too, just for anybody.
That is
That's
true.
We
yeah.
have a
Mhm.
texture.
I think there's the
No,
hair.
it's just
node.
yeah, copy to points. I
Ah,
wanted
copy
to
points.
be like
Yeah,
have a featherless chicken because
I see. Yeah.
I didn't mess
Pluck.
with feathers yet, so I'm kind of afraid to do it now. But I need to add more details to this one.
Ooh, mesh sharpen.
sharpen.
I don't know that node.
Yeah.
That's
It's a lab tools node, but it's very aggressive if you leave it by default. Let me open the outlines. Basically, the step is super sensitive.
Oh,
Interesting. I like
Yeah,
Very
this.
interesting.
Might be very good for like spiderweb stuff, you know. But
Oh,
yeah.
I need to
But,
just
yeah.
spend a day and learn every labs tool.
There's
Yeah,
so
for
many.
sure.
I
I
only
think it would
wanted
take you
to-
more than a day.
Maybe a
Creating
year.
crevices.
I just need to take a year and learn all the labs tools.
I don't want to.
There'll be so many more in that year.
How many nodes, how many Houdini nodes do you think there are? Like the jelly beans in a jar? Like, let's say,
There's
like thousands. There's
The
thousands.
total
of nodes.
number?
Like
Yeah, do you know?
500 or
I've
something?
actually seen it
500?
before, but
What is
I
it?
don't
What is it?
remember it off the top of
I
my head.
wanted
Like,
to say it
just,
was like
like, vague?
1600 or something.
Yeah,
Off the top of my head.
easily.
Like, are we counting all of them? Like
All of
shading
them,
and like
everything.
USD, like
I
everything?
wanna say it
okay,
was
then I don't know.
These are
More
the
like
be-
5 grand,
Yeah,
like
Yeah.
5,000 total.
I would say
think
so.
is
I would-
in
I
the
would-
range.
yeah.
I don't remember
Mhm.
exactly, but
yeah.
Yeah,
I
go
think,
through
I
it.
think.
I mean, that's all
Ugh.
contexts too. So
I can't
Yeah.
find anything online. Probably no one really
'cause I-
counted it ever. Yeah.
For my attributes class, I wrote a Python script to basically drop down every single SOP node. So I could basically grab information, then delete it. Just so I was trying to like aggregate all of this information. And that's where I got like the 1600, I think, roughly.
Wait, there's a way, isn't there a way in a text file that it'll spit out the nodes?
There is a
The
script.
list of nodes? Some,
Yeah, I think
forg-
it's.
I feel like I've
I'll
seen
have to
that.
Look that up now.
Is it for node in nodes kind of or something like?
Well, it reveals all of the Vex functions, all of the nodes. It's like a full list.
Well, I don't, well, let's say functions don't count. Let's say,
Right.
but just the nodes. Anyway, fun project for somebody.
Yeah.
Cool, attribute paint, artist friendly.
Yeah, I've noticed with attribute paint,
Nice.
sometimes like if you close the file, reopen it,
Yeah,
then it just messes up the paint. Like
If
Well,
if the
does-
topology changes,
Yeah,
that's
if
what
the topo-
happens because of the recache. It basically stores the values on each vertex, basically. So-
yeah, like but like the vertex number and the vertex position, everything is at the same location.
and it still messes up.
it just
Hmm.
messes up the messes up
Maybe
that
you need
page.
to hit recache. Maybe just needs to.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, recache,
Because
Right.
and yeah.
because it should still be the same.
Yeah.
You can even save the cache as a file.
Yeah, what I
Yeah.
ended up doing is like just baking it out using a maps baker to like a PNG file and then using that PNG
Mhm.
to work with. But yeah, I was wondering if anyone ever had that issue.
27 minutes left.
Oh gosh.
I've never seen that. Yeah. 27 minutes left, everybody.
Feels like forever.
So
Yeah.
that's why 45 minutes.
It felt like 5 minutes when I was doing the challenge.
Yeah, it'll feel like that pretty soon. Should we look at Daniel?
Oh, very
Looks like,
interesting.
He's laying out.
Very
Vellum.
interesting.
Nice.
What is happening?
We have
Looks like
vellum,
he's
we
doing
have
a-
eggs.
Hey, he's gonna do a vellum sim to have some eggs underneath the chicken. It looks
Ooh.
like.
It's awesome.
Oh yeah,
Oh my
nice.
God.
Yep, there it is.
We're going to Silly Town.
Can we see the whole thing?
Yeah, yeah. Let me
Do
just
your thing,
run
do your
the
thing. Go ahead.
simulation.
Can
Ignore
we
me.
interrupt you?
We should.
I'm just super
we have-
excited.
How much time? How much time? How much time?
25 minutes, Guido.
Very bad.
We
I'm
expect.
with you, man.
I want to see that chicken dance next time we come to you. I'm expecting.
He's
See what-
already dancing.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Look.
Okay.
Guido, you should duplicate, instance your dancing chickens. So you can have like an ensemble, you know, of dancing chickens.
get like a chorus line.
All right, here it is. The chicken with the eggs,
Oh, wow.
but the legs are sort of detached right now. So
Yeah.
maybe I'll delete one of these eggs.
I love it.
It's a really aggressive
super
eggplant.
You could put
If you want, you can
put the legs on the
up,
side.
like-
Put
Yeah,
the legs
there you
up
go.
or on the side of that. That would be hilarious.
This is brilliant.
Okay, there we go. Maybe this is a bit better.
Okay, nice.
Oh my God. Yeah. I'm pleased with our chicken object, Armin.
Yes,
That
yes,
worked
I'm
out.
very happy it came up.
We all willed it into place. That's what it
Yeah.
was.
And we were honestly thinking that we should kind of like rig it so this particular combination.
I
would
swear
come
we
up.
didn't though. I
I was
swear
gonna say,
we
let's
did not.
preface that that is not the
It-
case.
It's
Yeah,
just pure luck.
I'm just happy that it came up.
We want to hop over the Guido real quick.
Yes.
Yeah.
See this
So do you
dancing
want to
chicken?
see the
see the
dancing
beautiness?
chicken.
Oh yeah.
I
Let's
see a
see.
file cache.
Oh my God.
Look.
What's-
Oh wow.
Oh, look at him.
Look at the belly. I love this. I love this. The belly.
Is there like secondary motion going on? Like the secondary animation node?
Oh
Like
my
this
God.
feels very fluid.
Oh
and then-
yes.
jelly.
Jiggle.
Nice.
Nice.
Wow, chops.
I can
Wow,
make
yeah.
chicken.
So you're
That's
gonna
a-
roast it, Guido? You're gonna put some herbs and like
No, I want to make that.
So you're talking
Let's
about
put
doing
it
a
in the
pyro
oven.
sim and a particle sim now on top of all of this.
do what is it, pyro look, where you can do like
Oh yeah.
the scattered, you add the scattered light, and then it looks like fried chicken.
Oh yeah.
Poor chicken. He was just dancing.
check that
Leave
out.
her alone.
Leave her alone. We're trolling.
You want to do? I'm seeing in the comments here. There's a demand to rematch me.
Yeah.
I'm actually down for that because I'm more educated now than I was the last time.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
I'm excited for
Sharpening
that.
his
I'm-
knives.
Okay, next time we have David.
Oh no,
Yeah.
now it's confirmed, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's how it works, David. You know.
Fred, now I got to start practicing.
Maybe I
Well,
should do it. Maybe
I'd
David,
like to
David, I'll do it with
nominate
you.
Deborah.
do it.
Yes.
I'll do it
Yes.
if Deborah joins. Yes.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
I'm gonna host the next session alone.
Oh my God. Finally, Deborah actually
Stacked.
doing the battle.
Oh no, I take it back.
No, takes you back, please.
Oh my God. But I'm gonna pick all the themes and the objects. So there
No,
you go.
no, no,
Ah,
Yeah, that's-
Same for everyone.
I already know all
No,
the
you're
options. So
Oh, it's gotta be
I'm
entirely
disqualified.
new.
See?
It's gotta
Disqualified.
be entirely new. I'm not gonna use the list that you've seen. I have a separate list that I've been working on for the past year just for you.
You guys are cute.
Oh, you
Should
think
we-
I'm joking?
Oh, we're making a head for our chicken?
Yeah, it looks like it. That looks like a beak.
Yeah.
Interesting. So we got a dancing chicken now with a head.
Yeah, no, head is a must, you know, like it would sell the
Well,
emotion.
I
of the
thought we
dance
were
chick.
going roasted chicken, which is why we couldn't
Oh,
cut it
right,
Yeah.
right.
with the form that we had. So that was post cooking.
That's
You
Guido's
chop off
chicken.
your chicken's head before roasting it and then put it back on top.
This is going to get dark really quick.
Yeah, we're getting really dark.
Guido has a pretty interesting imagination. I'll just say that.
I do like the uniqueness.
Yeah.
Peter, are you allowed to tell us when Houdini 20 is going to come out?
What would make you think I know that?
Poke,
We
poke.
know you know.
It'll come out when they tell me I can tell you. It'll
Ah.
Yeah.
Are you
I
coming
wanna
to
keep it
SIGGRAPH,
surprise.
Peter? You going to be at SIGGRAPH?
Yes, I'll be in LA.
Woo! Yay. Who else is going? Divi can't go?
I'll see. My
Okay.
sister's engagement is like nearby, so like,
Yeah, good
Yeah.
for you. Should we look at, I feel bad, we're not paying attention to the players. So
Up over
should
to
we
Julian.
take a look at Julian?
Ooh, Julian's got something interesting. He's got
Yes!
got a whole
Oh,
crowd.
nice.
I'm just
That's-
trying to
Wow.
go.
Yes.
I'm just going
That's
for
what I'm-
quantity
Yes.
here.
Yes.
It's
I
a
like
whole
what's happening.
family.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love
That's
it.
really
A
nice.
lot of chubby
You-
chickens.
I
They
love
can
the
just go
feet.
like this, Julian. They can just wobble, like,
Oh yeah. Let me
Like
see.
that.
Like,
just a quick little sine wave.
let me just add a muscle simulation real quick.
Yeah,
I've never
I mean,
tried
you
it. You know,
could
maybe
also
now is the
just
best
make
moment.
them
Like,
flap their
Yeah,
wings.
this is a good time to try. Yeah, for the first
yeah,
time.
I feel
Definitely
like,
just
you know,
dive in.
let me just muscle flex. Okay, help. Just checking the help page real quick. Okay, give me a minute. No, let's see. But maybe I can make them like hop around. That's what I'm
Exactly, the little hop, like the tiniest little thing. But again, this is just,
saying. Whoops, not trace.
you ignore my suggestions. We have around 18 minutes left.
Something's wrong with my keyboard. Oh
How
no.
much?
Around 18 minutes, Guido.
Why?
It's never a good answer for me. It's like,
Okay, we are going with in the wrangle zone. Let's go.
Ooh,
Ooh,
yeah.
nice.
let's
Going
see.
out
I'm just
back.
trying to.
Is this
Figure
the
out how-
first wrangle for today?
Yeah,
I bet
think it
there's
might be.
some
I
wrangles that
don't know.
we've missed. I bet we've missed a couple
We
here.
didn't
Yeah,
really see
I would
wrangles
guess.
today. Let's see.
Hmm.
Has anyone used the wrangle note so far today?
Nope.
The funny thing is that I use usually wrangle notes, but today never use.
Mhm.
Very
Yeah.
bad.
I think somewhere up here. Oh yeah.
There you go.
It's only one.
Yes.
It's a one-liner.
It counts.
I am getting old. This is the problem.
Nothing. I wanted to do something here. All right. Anyway. No. I don't think I need a wrangle for what I want to do.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I'm
No,
just
no, don't-
going everywhere.
You do you.
Let's see.
My chicken looks like Paimon in Hereditary ending. Good, but not the best.
Now I have to take a look. Sorry, I'm going back to.
oh, the Guido?
Yeah, I have to see that.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
okay.
crazy.
Kind of liked it at the larger size.
Yeah.
Punk chicken.
God.
That's so funny. Let's give Guido time because
Yeah.
let's look at Andre.
Got a hot Andre. All right.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Ooh.
We have.
It's
I deleted the color node by mistake, so I need to put it back.
Greenish grid.
so cool to see how everyone thinks so differently, you know?
Yeah, the different methods to like
Yeah.
just building something.
Yeah,
is-
everything stylistically and
So we
need
got
to
scatter, cylinder.
Yeah, like in order to create like the sunglasses, he used like some like maybe adjacent pieces or remesh.
Mhm.
Like that's amazing. Like
Nice.
it
Yeah.
gave like that doodly look. to the
Yeah.
sunglasses.
Yeah.
I'm
That's-
loving it.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
cool.
But this is, I think it's a proxy right now because I used a remesh. So I
Hmm.
can I can get the detail back, but I need to make a different branch to get to keep the same scatter.
Your nodes look a little organized.
It's been
Yeah,
better.
we don't expect those things in Houdini
It's
Battle.
very
Yeah.
impressive.
And now, of course, we can do this.
Oh,
I just
remind
didn't know-
me what that is again.
You select the nodes
Yeah.
and press A. Let's
A.
select some other.
I don't want to distract
These
you.
ones. So these ones. You
Yeah.
press A
A.
and you get this icon here
Yeah.
instead of the normal
Yeah.
mouse, and you just drag
Oh
down,
my
or you could drag like this.
Oh wow.
Yes.
It's
Hope
one of my
everyone
favorite things in Houdini.
everyone in the audience, I hope you guys saw that.
Organizing things, especially when you compare it to something like cinema, when you're working with like nodes. It just bothers me so much when things are not organized and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
they
everything,
should be. Yeah, they descriptions should be very modular and easily read,
Mhm.
not
Mhm.
a spaghetti, because it's very easy to make spaghettis here.
Yeah.
We don't want to distract you, Andre, though.
Yeah, you focus
It's
on.
fine. I think I'm going to render this because it's not the prettiest one, but it could be better looking with some
In
defocus
Italy,
in the
with one
background.
mese. Okay.
How much time do we have left?
Around 14 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. We want to hop over to Daniel. We haven't seen him in a little while.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see.
Ooh,
Ooh,
have
what
an
do we got
environment.
here? Oh my God.
Yeah,
What?
the chicken.
The chicken's gonna
has-
lay some eggs somewhere.
You'll see. You'll see.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy,
Surprise.
this sounds
Very
yes,
interesting.
sounds interesting.
So is the chicken gonna lay down the eggs, and are they gonna like tumble down? That's
That looks
what I got.
possible, yeah.
And then they're gonna crack, and then little chickens are gonna come and dance.
And then they're gonna dance.
And then they're gonna
They're
start
gonna
twerking. Little chicks are gonna start twerking.
In the
He's
next
got
battle,
15
maybe.
minutes. He's got plenty of time.
Plenty.
Yeah, yeah.
Plenty. Okay.
Yeah, totally.
It only takes 5 minutes. Yeah.
Well, this is the final chicken, I suppose.
There's a
I
shelf
love
tool
it.
for that, I think.
There's a shelf tool.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
it's called twerk, and it's on the shelf. It's a twerking shelf. You just, you know.
It's easy.
The shelf is also twerking. So
Yes.
We got attribute randomize in there and poly extrude.
I don't know why this isn't working.
Let's see.
Mhm.
I think like you want to extrude like
You're
randomly
on
all the faces up.
connected components. You need
Oh,
to switch to individual.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you. Oh my God. Perfect. All right.
That's cool.
Now the chicken's going to be in like a sci-fi like Greeble
Yeah.
world. too.
Yeah.
Is it a kaiju?
No.
Is it a giant kaiju chicken?
Yes,
City?
it is.
Yeah,
Yay!
it was like a Borg ship.
That's pretty cool.
This is getting ominous. The chicken looks like he's he looks cute, but he's up to no good apparently. He's gonna destroy the city with some eggs.
What do you think the eyes mean? Like, oh boy, about to lay these eggs.
Yeah.
You know what I
Definitely
mean?
there's something in the look. Yeah. for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Like, oops.
Oh.
Hope you like
Here
omelets.
we go.
Oh gosh.
Oh man, this is pretty great.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Yeah, we're
chicken is hella
we're
stuff.
seeing sides to you guys that we wouldn't ordinarily see, right?
Yeah.
Like, Houdini can be so serious sometimes, don't you think? Like, it's fun
Yeah.
it's fun to
But
make it
it's
like,
always for me more interesting when like you don't take it super seriously.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
just
Yeah.
making goofy stuff.
right? Yeah.
It's a sandbox, you know, have fun,
Yeah.
play around. This is cool. I love the simplicity of a quick city. like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Divi, didn't you, there's a labs node that makes like cool patterns.
Lots subdivision.
Lot subdivision,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's one of
Yeah.
my favorite nodes. Like you can make so many interesting things with it.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, there was a maze generator thing, like it's called like wave function collapse.
Yes,
That's
that
what
one.
I was
That
like,
that also, yeah.
yeah. It creates like maze, all sorts of things.
We
Yeah.
had a maze once. That was a good.
I think Divi made it, didn't you, for Cyberpunk Taco?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. That
Cyberpunk taco.
you have such a good memory.
Yeah, Armin got a
Yeah.
good
Yeah.
memory.
He secretly just sat down for the last couple of hours, just kind of skimming through a bunch
Just, I
of
watched
Binge
the
watching
battles
battles.
before coming here to remember.
We might want to go over and check out what Guido is doing. He's
Oh
got
my
some-
God.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Dickens.
scared.
Oh wow!
about the-
Yes.
Oh wow!
Oh no.
Oh wow, let's go.
Oh wow!
Why it doesn't work? My God, why?
There, okay. For
So-
loops and time-dependent nodes don't play nice together.
Put the time shift outside of the for loop, right?
Yeah, exactly.
No, I can't.
I think he's using iteration for it. He wants to offset
Yeah,
the.
I use
different-
the.
But you can
many-
use it outside of the loop, even with iteration. You
If
don't
you
have
make-
to.
Yeah, your copy would go inside the loop. and
Yes,
then
the
time
copy,
shift outside.
exactly.
Mhm.
Copy inside, time shift outside.
But I want each copy to be time shifted.
Yes,
differently.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
So
That'll
your-
work.
Yeah, your detail iteration is reading
okay.
from the metadata.
I don't think it's gonna do.
Put it upstream.
That.
Yeah.
The time shifts it
So your
But
copies are
after the file cache.
But
There you
then,
go.
Oh, you mean
No,
your
he
copies
won't
up
have the
above.
copies. No, the
Yeah.
copies are being generated inside the loop.
Yeah,
basically.
exactly.
But
Yeah,
I
okay.
used the last like 4 days ago this thing.
Hmm.
I don't understand why it doesn't work.
Yeah, the time-dependent nodes and loops, it has to do, and Peter can correct me on this, with the like the cooking and how they cook, the order of cooking, because the temporal data isn't available. Like it won't access the previous frame kind of a thing. I forget the specifics of it, but there's,
Yeah, you got me there.
oh, okay.
I've been
I-
doing USD for a year, so my
Oh,
brain's
okay,
very
yeah.
much in that
Oh
world.
man, that's so cool.
I remember running into this when I did the loops class, because yeah, there's something about temporal data and for loops and how it cooks, which is why it always glitches.
I've definitely done it with the copy to points inside the loop and the
Yeah.
time shift outside, and it worked.
Let's
Yeah.
do it
Personally-
Italian way.
The way I would do this is save it as an ABC file, as an Alembic, and then just use
Mm.
the intrinsics, the ABC frame, and
That
just
works too.
offset it like that.
That's cool.
Guido, did
Oh,
you
he's
just say let's
doing-
do it the Italian way?
Italian way.
The Italian way, brute force is what
Gotta
I.
say, the Italian way is definitely the best way.
Italian way never.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
What's the Italian way, Guido?
Huh?
What is the Italian way?
By hand.
By hand.
Is the old by hand method.
Brilliant.
Brute force. Yeah.
Like an artisan.
Oh, we're getting down
Yeah.
there
By
on
hand.
time. What's time call?
I don't want to tell you guys. It's 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Oh no.
We're getting there.
Get that chicken moving, Guido.
Moving, he's moving.
We want
But I
to.
can't render this stuff. My God, very bad.
We want to do like a quick round here. The zip.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at Julian, because I think we haven't seen. Oh, they're
Yeah,
It's
Julian!
very
They're
proud
on
and
it.
humble. My
Yes.
humble chickens.
Nice.
Yes.
I gotta be honest. I did ask ChatGPT to help me out.
I
on
saw
this one.
that actually. I was gonna say.
but it's
I
so
think you might have
good.
asked for some
It can do Vex, which is crazy. Like
no
I mean, you
fake
still gotta-
functions.
No, ChatGPT 4 knows for real how to do Vex.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's impressive. Like,
That's
but yeah, you
awesome.
gotta kind of know what to ask for though.
Hmm.
So can we see your
Nice.
ChatGPT?
Yeah, for
'Cause
sure.
we didn't. Yeah. What did
Yeah,
you
so
ask
I basically asked like, how could I make a bunch of points jump in vex? I'd like them to all be slightly offset a few frames each. Because I did try to do the time shift thing in a for loop, but I was struggling and I was like, I'm not going to figure this out right now. So I was like, okay, let's ask ChatGPT. And yeah, it gave me
There
a
you
bunch
go.
of floats,
That's awesome.
sliders, and then based on a
Nice.
sine wave, the height. But then I realized it also gave me negative values. So then I asked it a second question: how could I normalize the sine wave
Yeah,
so that it only gives me positive values? So it looks like, you know, they're like beep beep jumping around.
absolutely.
I mean, it still looks silly, like, but I just love that it can do vex now, which is just
That's very
crazy.
cool.
Yeah, it's great.
What one trick for that is to use the absolute function, the
Yeah.
ABS.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And that will basically force it to only have positive values.
yeah. I just in the moment, I'm just like,
Oh no,
figure it
totally.
out for me.
I mean, as long as it's even a sine function, you can just use the fit node and just fit it between
Yeah.
whatever value.
I
that you want.
guess, yeah, yeah.
You can
Yeah,
use
the
the fit
1-1,
1-1,
right?
yeah,
Yeah,
and
mhm.
just remap it to whatever value.
Okay,
You know
now I
what
want
this
some-
reminds me of? Like the way they're shaped reminds me of the Russian dolls. So if you
Yeah.
actually
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. I have one over there.
If
Like,
they top it open, that would be really cool.
yeah.
ah, 5 minutes. Let's go.
Yeah, we have 5
5
minutes.
minutes,
Wait.
everybody.
Oh my
5
god.
minutes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, let's
What
do
can
a
we do in
quick
5 minutes?
round then. Let's start from Andre. Take a quick look.
Doing an object merge because I need to bring back the points I'm
is-
using
Don't
to
worry,
scatter.
just do your thing. It's
So
the
out points,
yeah.
except
Ignore us.
I will do this.
Nice. Yeah.
You have a whole army.
Yeah, that's cool.
So instance.
Andre is using the classic instance.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
It works with Redshift, so I'm not mad.
Got
But,
it.
I did install it for Solaris. This is what I'm going to study next because it's supported, so it should work well.
Watch Peter's tutorials.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for USD.
USD.
Yeah.
There's a lot other stuff that that you can do in there that's a lot flashier than my stuff. But yes, if you want to learn USD.
Yeah. That's so interesting.
And of course, I need to bring back the materials. I mean, the CD attribute because I
Yeah.
forgot to. Where's the?
Should we switch to Daniel?
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Ooh.
It's gonna be
Looks
tough
like Daniel's
one.
getting ready to do some
we have a
rendering
lot
here.
net. Yes.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Chicken in.
Chicken in, chicken out.
These are some great node names. I love it.
Oh gosh, it's not working.
3 minutes left.
Less than 3 minutes. Woohoo!
Let's put the link for voting in the chat again because I think it went.
Oh, did it go? Yeah.
Up
it
there.
moved
You
up.
Yeah.
just read my mind. And I was just
Okay.
about to do. Oh, you did it. Okay.
Yep.
Got it. Thanks.
No worries.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Yeah. That
Nice.
is
The
awesome.
lighting looks really good.
Giant kaiju chicken.
You got a, it feels like you got a fast computer too.
Oh no, this is a
No?
10-year-old computer. Yeah.
Oh, well, good job on Karma.
Karma is just
Yeah.
starting to get really nice.
Yeah, I
Just
wonder.
starting.
Just starting. I know, I can feel it. I can feel it's the beginning of greatness.
Less than 2 minutes now.
It is tough, Peter, I have to say, teaching a beginner class going into Karma and being like, using USD terminology for the first time that you're exposed to Houdini. That's I can tell that's tough.
Is
That's a
that
tough
switch to
problem.
Guido?
Yeah.
Switch
Sorry.
Ooh,
Guido.
we have a text. What does it say?
Oh my
Lovely
God.
Lovely
chubby
chubby
chicken. If you do not know how to dance, you get fired.
Fried.
Oh my God.
Chicken club. So
Oh,
it's a
yeah,
chubby
that-
chicken
that's
club.
when-
Oh
dark.
my God. Guido's so crazy.
That detail.
Wow.
I'm loving it.
Oh my God.
We're
I just
then-
hope they
to the
all know
wire.
how to dance.
How much time we got left?
We're down.
You
One
guys, we're at the end, you guys, less than 1 minute. Ah!
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Yeah, this is not going to cut it.
If you're doing a play blast, maybe you should hit escape before.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's gonna include the stuff. Let's look at Julian
Yeah.
super quick.
Just trying to get some grass in here real quick in 1 minute.
Oh wow.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
looks great.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pressure is mounting.
You can do it. Only 20 seconds left.
Oh, let's get
You
to
can
those
do
green.
it.
Oh,
Wow.
that was pretty
Woohoo!
fast.
Merge and do this and
Ah,
do that.
Yes.
And it's probably 1 meter tall, but hey, no, that's kind of cute actually. Okay,
This is
awesome.
awesome.
Woo!
Well done.
Okay.
We're
here.
done. Mouse is down.
Woo!
Good job,
Ah.
everybody. Good job,
Oh my
everybody.
gosh.
Well done, everyone.
Well
Good.
done.
Great
Congratulations.
Well done.
Congratulations. So I'm on Julian's screen.
Oh,
So
can
why
I
don't
turn
we?
on instancing just so it's a bit smoother, the animation? Or is it?
Sure, do it. Do it.
Okay,
Do it
okay.
quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, just escape, spam escape.
But how can be seen the screen?
By the way, guys, one thing we forgot to say, but please save your scene.
Yeah, save it
Yes,
right
oh
now.
my God.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, that's
never
there,
once said it.
Julian. Good
Yeah,
job.
we never-
Julian.
That is actually kind of cute now
That's
at the end.
perfect. That's perfect.
I love it.
That
So
was-
Daniel, Andre, and Guido, you
Ah.
can you can stop sharing so you can see Julian's screen.
Okay.
So and we're gonna go
One
one
sec.
at a time. So
One
Julian, Julian, do you want to just take 1 minute to talk about, and you can talk about anything that you don't have to go into so
Oh,
much
I mean, look at my awesome note tree.
Nice.
I did not put order into it, but basically, so I mean, in the beginning, I just asked for chubby chicken on Midjourney, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go with this because I cannot model creatures, no, not at all. And then I got kind of stuck, and then I thought, okay, what if I just do a lot of chickens? So I had this one somewhere here, and I thought, what if I just do a lot of chickens? And then I got this one, and I added, like I said before, I asked ChatGPT to make me this code to make them bounce like in a random order.
Yeah.
It was just 2 questions, and it got it for me. And I yeah, you just do some settings, and then it's fine.
Awesome.
Oh,
And then I did, like, in 2 minutes, I made this grass.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
I love
yeah,
it.
Here we are.
yeah.
That's super cute.
Fantastic.
Julian,
Yeah,
How did
wonderful.
you do the
Yeah.
the feet real quick?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the feet look really nice.
Because I'm really
Yeah.
curious on that. Yeah.
Oh, that was, I didn't even think about this. It was 4 splines.
Oh,
So I just took 4
okay.
splines, put them, like, rotated them a bit, put them together, and then I used the sweep node. And what's really cool is the end caps, the end cap type. So you can have, this is the normal type, but you can have a grid type, and then it has these rounded off kind of features. You can also have it more like this or more spiky. Yeah, I thought that had a kind of cartoony look.
very cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, but you don't see them now.
I know, but
Well, here you go. Thanks.
We know
I'm
they're
happy
there.
that they're there, you know.
Yes.
good job.
Very well done.
Daniel, you're here. Let's look at you next.
Hi.
Julian, you can stop.
Oh yeah.
sharing.
How do I stop share? Yeah, I'm really excited to see what you guys made.
Go for it, Daniel.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
So,
Awesome.
Wow.
so I wanted to make a chicken that was sort of like a plushie. So the first thing I found on Google was I looked up chubby chicken plush, and then there were multiple pictures of big chicken with like people punching it. but I thought it'd be cuter with
Eggs.
eggs instead. So
Yeah.
I mean, I started with pretty simple shapes just to block out a geometry of a chicken. And to get the eggs, to get the chicken body to nicely wrap around the eggs, I made a simple egg model like this. And I used I basically pressurized the chicken, turned it into cloth, and then ended up with the chicken body wrapping around the eggs and using the eggs as a collision object. So
Nice.
that's where, and that is pretty much the final chicken model that I ended up with. And while I was blocking out the camera, I
Sorry, one
thought-
question about the previous part of your setup. Did you actually, like, how did you map the other parts? Because if I'm not mistaken, you only did the simulation for the main body, right?
Yeah.
For the other parts, like the beak and the eyes, did you just brought it in normally, or are you like mapping them somehow to the animation of?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Didn't have time to do that. So basically it's just a split to isolate the body, remesh it to give it some topology.
Yeah.
And then object merging the rest of the body back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they're not
So
attached. Yeah.
yeah. A super simple setup.
So
And
cute.
when I was blocking out the camera for the chicken, I thought the chicken looked quite ominous from a lower angle. So I thought I'd create like a simple city with a randomized extrude and a streak going down the middle. So, and thank you to whoever helped me find this option. That would probably taken me like 5+ minutes to figure out. And I threw that.
Yeah, I figured it out because I do it all the time. I always forget it.
Yeah, oh my gosh. And I threw that into Lops, and here it is. Some red ominous lighting for the entire city and just a rim light for this.
I like how that idea just kind of came to you during this, and it wasn't like you didn't think of a city in the beginning, but it kind of came during this process. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. That is definitely that I feel like it came out a lot better. It makes it look a lot bigger than it actually is. So
yeah,
I think this is pretty cute.
Awesome.
Nice.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, Guido.
Yeah. Can you see something? No.
Not yet.
Yes.
Can you see something?
Yes.
Yeah.
My dancing.
Oh my God, so crazy. Guido's so crazy.
There is not a long story about this chicken. Basically, I made this
Wow.
chicken. I tried to make an ad, but yeah, it's like this. Very
Oh,
bad.
that's actually really, really good.
Then I made the classic VDB. And I used the polyreduce because I thought that maybe I could oppress the model, but I didn't at the time. I wanted to make like the little dots of the floor, but yeah, but I didn't do it. Then I made like a skeleton, but then Deborah told me that wanted the chicken to do twerk. So I tried to add like the booty. But I mean, I was running, so they don't twerk.
We're just trolling. You shouldn't take us seriously.
I think Armin brought it up first.
Yeah, I said don't take me seriously.
And I don't know why I animated it like on upside Y, but yeah, it's okay. So basically, I have it animated. Look. And I love the belly. Here is very beautiful, the belly. I will show you after. Nice. Then I use a little bit of chops like jiggle, spring stuff. But I mean, it will require a little bit more time to have the belly. But look at the belly. I have a bug here. I don't understand why I have always the point.
What do you mean?
Your
Your point display is on.
right in the middle.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Look. So beautiful. Okay, we have the dance, and then I have the little eyes. I put it back on top. Look. Like this, beautiful. And so they do this crappy dance like and then I
That's
tried
awesome.
with the time the for each, but the loop was break, so I used the Italian way. But
That's the Italian way.
and we are happy of the chicken dance.
I love
Look
it.
Awesome.
Look at
That's
this.
awesome.
That's
yeah.
amazing. That is amazing.
Oh my God. So good. Thank you so much, Guido. So
Even the
good.
presentation was amazing.
Yeah.
Guido, what does your
That's
last note
awesome.
say there? Chicken of.
Satan.
Oh, no.
That's what I thought it said. That's great. These are some great node names that have been created in this battle.
Chicken in.
Chickens
out.
of Satan is called this piece.
Oh my God.
You need to listen Sun O while.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, Guido. Andre, and correct me if I'm saying your name wrong. Sorry about that.
Yeah, no, it's perfect. This is the English way to do it. Yeah, in the Romanian it's Andrei, but it's a little
Andrei.
bit harder.
Yeah.
Andrei. It's
Andrei.
just not usual for English speakers to nail it
Yeah.
as we say it. Yeah. It's very close. So yeah, I managed to.
Oh, share your
put-
screen.
I
Yeah.
think I did.
We're
seeing
seeing
you.
OBS.
Sorry,
actually.
yeah. New share, I think, or
Sure.
yeah, screen 3. Does it work now?
Yes.
Ah,
Damn.
wow.
By the way, I didn't realize you had a pig head on your microphone. I like that.
Yeah, this is from the FMX from Stuttgart,
Oh,
like 2 or almost
Nice.
3 months ago. Yeah, it was my first edition. I attended, and it was awesome. I will go again next year, and so on. But yeah, these pig heads were given out by the SideFX team. So
yeah.
so happy
I
to
love your
be here.
render. That's so cool.
Mhm.
That looks
Very nice.
great.
I love the sunglasses.
I love the
yeah.
sunglasses. Yeah.
It's punk rock chicken.
Looks awesome.
Oh man, that's
That's awesome.
yeah. Good job.
Thank you so much, and I'm so happy to be part of this, and congrats to the other contestants. It was a really great job, and yeah, their work is amazing.
Thank you for participating. Yeah, and that's
So much
cool that
fun.
you got a render in here.
The only one, right? Oh no, sorry. I
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
not the only one, but I think it's the only one that looks like a weird football ball or something regarding the texture.
It's
With these
neat.
licorice glasses. It's awesome.
Yeah, it just works. Yeah, I like it a
So how
lot.
did you get the texture again? You used a copy of the points, was it?
Of course I did, because I
Okay.
always like the Italian way to have real geo instead of textures, because you see it in the viewport
Yeah.
as you want it. It's heavier, yeah, but with a modern computer you can do anything. So.
Awesome.
Nice.
Can we see your notes real quick?
Sure. Yeah. I wanted it to flap a little bit. I mean, to have that jitter or that jiggle, that jelly jiggle. But I didn't play it, and I'm afraid to press the playhead, because I think
Why don't you press play real quick?
Let me see. It will be really heavy right now because
Yeah.
I have a lot of geo. It will not be
Okay.
Oh,
wow.
yeah.
No
30
problem.
points. Yeah.
Yeah,
No
but
problem.
if let me try to play the proxy mesh at least again, because I think you saw it earlier. But regardless, it's not working because this is not animated. I guess I wanted to put a $F times, I don't know, 001 or let's say 2, and
Ah, nice.
It's not much,
Yes.
but it's honest work. I will look into
It's nice
costs
and subtle.
can
Yeah.
Yeah, just to give it a little life. Yeah.
Yeah, I love
Awesome.
this way of using lattice. This is amazing.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used it even to model tiny things like even wires and stuff, but I had to do
Yeah.
it quickly. So before like vellum sims. Okay, so we start with a sphere, and then this is only used for scattering, but this is the base shape basically. It's very easy. The script is very the other one. It's very straightforward. You just fill the volume, scatter points, make the weird shape, because I initially thought about clumps of feathers, but then I thought it was a better idea to deform it, get like this is like a chest or something, in the
Mhm.
beginning, but
Yeah.
I had to merge some eyes and some other details on top of the chest for creative reasons, of course. And just a simple mountain on the bounding box that's used for deforming the lattice. This is very fast to animate even trees. If you don't want to go for like a simulated look, you can add a lattice and a noise and make the trees look like they have a little bit of wind. And then I made it like a little bit of pink, so it's featherless, but I use the cylinder generator. It's labs tools, I think. Labs, yeah. It's not much, but it's a labs. Okay, so yeah, this was painted on top with the
Nice.
mask, with a simple
Yes.
mask. You need to press enter to see the
Yeah.
layers of the and this was not very intuitive in the beginning, but you need to change the value of the foreground brush basically, because if you keep it on 1, it's basically like 1, it's red, it's the maximum value, but you need to make it like this if you want to erase stuff, so you need to paint back on top.
If I'm not mistaken, you can use middle mouse button, or maybe it was control and left click
Right,
to
the
actually
middle
erase.
mouse button samples the value of the
Okay.
yeah,
Then it's a
oh.
combination of something with the left click. So maybe control
you're
and
right.
left. Okay.
Yeah, it's maybe it's control. Let's see.
It switches to the background.
You're right. You're right. I didn't know about this.
Nice.
It's right there,
Yeah,
but I
it's-
don't have.
Oh, it's on the left side. Actually,
I don't have patience to read that.
We're just talking about it while it's on the left side.
Yeah.
Take a note, Peter. They're not so obvious.
Yeah, apparently, does it have to be the whole screen? Maybe
Yeah,
that's what
I
it is. The whole
know.
screen
But,
needs to be there.
but you can change the operation. On the right, you have left mouse button and middle mouse button operation. You can
All right.
set,
Yeah,
Paint
you can
FG
actually-
sample smooth. Yeah. Erase control. Of course. Yeah. But okay, look, this is not the simplest UI to read, I guess. Not the
Yeah.
straightforward one. Even though I love Houdini. I mean, okay, so yeah, the sunglasses were created the same way. I just painted some eyes there. I scattered some points over the. Let me actually close the other one.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, so we
Oh.
have the eyes there. Scatter, of course. And I wanted to scatter only 2 spheres, but I found out that's very hard to control this. The way it scatters only 2 points. Basically, if I go like this at scatter density, you need to use the force total count, I think. So not the, I used the wrong parameter there. And connect the agent
cool.
pieces, and you need to switch it to agent points. By default, it's this one, I think. And you play with the search radius and with the max
I
search
like that.
points, because you can add more threads basically if you put more points and you increase the search maximum search. And the radius, yeah, it gives you the spider web effect. You can control this one. and the poly wire and a remesh with dilate basically. So erode, but it's on the positive. I could even go with higher values like this. Yeah, you can smooth it out. You can play with the adaptivity to delete some triangles, or yeah, sharpen edges, and project original is good for other kinds of
That's
shapes.
cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this could work, but yeah,
Nice.
needs a little bit of refinement, I guess, like this. And of course, the color and transform. And for people who are just starting learning Redshift, you need to go to materials and add this guy, RS user data, to take the CD values and insert them wherever you need them. And yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Nice.
You are still using the old Redshift material, I see.
Yes, because I had some presets in my last Windows build, but I had to reinstall a clean version of Windows because 11 was not playing well. And yeah, I lost all of my presets, but yeah, I had a few I used, and yeah, I saw the Redshift forum, and they use the new kind of material, which is, I think, way better for maybe not like glass and dispersion, but I think it's like more a robust shader overall.
Armin loves Redshift.
Yeah, me too.
I'm
It's just yeah, it's insane. It's insane if you have like a good graphics card or 2 or 4. It's
Yeah.
just mini farm at home. So yeah, I actually, last year I had to render something that was 80 times faster than the cloud farm that we used at the studio. So that's something you cannot make up.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Awesome. Well, great job. Now it's time to vote, everybody. I'm putting the poll in the chat. Wait. Yeah.
I already have it up. Yeah.
Everyone has that up?
Did you want to have all 4 share their screens just so we can see the final results for comparison?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you could do that. And
Yeah, just share your screen. Yeah.
I'm also going to share my screen because it has the poll as well. See that? So we can see the winner.
Yes.
Winner, chicken dinner.
I don't see anything. Very bad.
In this new way of voting, can we vote for multiple people, or is it just?
To be honest, try it. I'm not sure.
Okay.
So
I think we can. Yeah.
Do the
But
participants
where you
also
are
vote?
showcasing-
Or...
yeah, go for it.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
go.
Okay.
Where you are showcasing the vote.
So look at my screen, Guido. You can stop sharing if you want and just look at my screen.
Okay.
Also, when you vote, you can also see the votes on your screen as well. You don't have to.
Yeah.
Do the participants get to vote as well?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, do it. I voted.
So did I.
Yeah.
Just gonna wait one more second. I think got a
Thought
couple
the
more
vote
people.
happens in the poll section in the battle chat, but it's not there. I think it's in.
You can stop sharing, Andre, and look at the screen.
stopped
Do you see my
sharing.
screen?
Yeah, we used to do it in the Discord, but
Yeah.
now
Yeah, I'm trying this out.
Yeah. Join. Okay. Right.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, I guess we can call it. Daniel,
Did everyone vote? Okay.
congratulations. Did everybody
Awesome.
vote? Yeah,
think so.
good
It looks- yeah.
game.
Congrats. Awesome.
Congrats.
Yes.
Yay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. And yeah, that was really great. It's really a community service, you guys. So I really appreciate you guys coming and playing and sharing your knowledge. And this will be on YouTube soon. So thanks again. And yeah, have a great Sunday, everyone. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you
That was
guys.
awesome.
Thank you, Deborah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
A lot of awesome
Bye, bye,
setups.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.